Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to talk about fixing a Pricepfister faucet. A lot of faucets out there today made by Pricepfister come with a stem. Looks a little bit like this. Unfortunately, that has been discontinued. This is the replacement. If you've had a difficult time doing that, check out the video next. Okay guys, this is the stem that fits a lot of the faucets, kitchen and bathroom, that Pricepfister manufactured in the last 4 or 5 years. And it's actually a really common stem. However, one of the disadvantages is they've discontinued it. So what we're going to do is I find the replacement stem for it. The 910032 for the cold, and the 910031 for the hot. They look a little bit different, and I'm going to explain to you how they match up. So the original number for these stems were the 910024 and the 910025 for the hot and the cold stem. The new stem, opening the package, looks like this. Well, that's really different. You know, there's no threads on it. The bottom looks the same, different color. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. Comes with some directions here. And if you notice in the paperwork, right here it shows the 910025 for the hot and the 910024 for the cold. Well, over here you notice the replacements for this stem. They look a little bit different, and below it has directions which come with this stem on how to change it. I'm going to have a description below that has the link to purchase these stems, and send you right to the website, and you can review this video anytime to help you with this process. So the first process to do is push this plastic stem through the body. Okay? And there's the old stem assembly. Remove the gasket around the threads. And we're going to set that off to the side. We're going to pick up the new stem, and it's got a little red ring on it. That's really just to give you a reference of whether it's hot or cold. And then we're going to take this stem and push it through just like we did the last one. Okay? You're not going to use this part. This is basically trash. Make sure that O-ring seal, it's kind of hard to see here, comes off with the stem. Sometimes it'll get stuck up inside here, and just take a little screwdriver and pop it out. So now you would take the original nut, reuse the old nut, slide it over the new stem, take the new seal, put it around the threads, the cap thread gasket, work it around the threads there, and then it's ready for installation. Slide that up there a little bit tighter, and we're ready to install it. One of the things to look at, it's hard to see with this stem because it's black, but the original one with the tan one here, it's got a almost like a flower shaped end on it. Sometimes this plastic will break off down in the brass valve body. Look down there to make sure nothing's stuck down in there, and maybe pry that out with a small screwdriver before you reinstall the new one. And lastly, if you choose to, it's not required, you can just slide this little O-ring, red or blue, back over it before reinstallation. If you guys have any other questions, comment down below, or you can email me, info@plumbingpartspro.com. If you need one of these stems, look at the links below, and you can go directly to the page to purchase these, and we ship them out really quick and fast. Give me a subscribe so you can watch all the new upcoming videos we have and tutorials. And thanks a lot for watching.